Hi everyone, welcome to Momazing Creations. Today we'll be making chicken and potatoes in the oven. So first we're gonna boil our chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. And we're gonna peel the potatoes. In this recipe I'm using about 6 medium potatoes. And I will cut them into slices. Then we're gonna season the chicken. I'm using salt, pepper, some paprika. You can use any spices that you would like. Actually, I'm gonna put all the spices that I'm using in the description below. Then we're gonna put the chicken with the potatoes. And I am using the water from the chicken to cover everything halfway. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for about an hour on 400 degrees or until golden brown. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!